Can you spot the circle?
Circle, circle, can you spot the circle? Point your finger at the shape. Circle, circle, can you spot the circle?
Yes, you can. Can you spot the square?
Square, square, can you spot the square? Point your finger at the shape, it's over there. Can you spot the square?
Yes, that's right. Can you spot the triangle?
Triangle, triangle, can you spot the triangle? Point your finger at the shape, it has 3 sides. 3 points and 3 sides.
Yes, that's right. Can you spot the heart?
Heart, heart, can you spot the heart? Point your finger at the shape. Heart, heart, can you spot the heart?
Yes, you can. Can you spot the star?
Star, star, can you spot the star? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Can you spot the star?
Yes, you can. Can you spot the rectangle?
Rectangle, rectangle, can you spot the rectangle? Point your finger at the shape, it has 4 sides. 2 are long, 2 are short.
Yes, that's right.